Ever since we were kids or when our parents were nearing retirement, we often heard them talking about Public Provident Fund. But what exactly is a PPF? PPF is a safe saving plan from the Government of India that helps you save money for a long time with your money locked in for 15 years. But today, in this video, we are going to explain you why you should not choose PPF but rather mutual fund instead. So let's get the party started.
First up, let's talk about rate of return. If you invest in a mutual fund that has a history of strong performance, good fund managers, and a positive outlook, you could see better returns compared to provident funds. Remember, mutual funds are all about compounding. Whatever you make gets added back into your investment, helping your wealth grow even faster over time. So the more you invest wisely, the more you can benefit. Now, let's discuss the second reason. Mutual funds cannot be just managed by anyone. They require experts, specifically fund managers who have a deep understanding of finance. These professionals understand the market well and allocate your money to the right investment to help you achieve good returns. So you can relax knowing that your investments are in capable hands. Mutual funds are regulated by SEBI. This means there are strict rules in place that protect your money. When you invest in mutual funds, you can be assured that your funds are being managed properly and secure. So there's no need to worry. Let's talk about Systematic Withdrawal Plan or SWP. You might have seen a lot of videos on your feed where everyone is talking about SWP. So what is Systematic Withdrawal Plan? SWP allows you to withdraw a fixed amount from your mutual fund investment at regular intervals without affecting your principal amount. For example, let's say your mutual fund portfolio stands at ₹1 crore when you are 35. If you withdraw 50,000 rupees every month for 3 years, you might think that your total savings would decrease significantly. However, here's the surprising part. Even after withdrawing rupees 50,000 per month, you will still have more than 1 crore in your account at the end of 3 years, specifically around rupees 1.33 crore.
This is because of the power of compounding. With an assumed rate of return of 15%, the returns earned on your remaining investment keeps your wealth growing. So you can enjoy your withdrawals while still having a substantial amount invested. Amazing, right? So basically, with mutual funds, you enjoy high returns, secure transactions, well-managed money, and the flexibility to withdraw without affecting your principal amount. What else do you need? And there you have it. This is why we're telling you to choose mutual funds over Public Provident Fund. And yes, if you still have any doubts, don't forget to comment below and we will reach out to you soon.
Investment in securities market is subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.